Hello, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. Today the agenda of this video is to cover financial dimension set and how to create financial dimension set and what is financial dimension set and how this financial dimension set behave in D365. So let's get started. So basically we will first cover about what is financial dimension set. So as per the Microsoft document, a dimension set is an order list of financial dimension that can be used to summarize general ledger data in user defined way. A primary use of dimension set is to define trial balance. The only standard dimension set is the dimension set that contain main account. So basically financial dimension set is useful to extract the data like trial balance. For example, if we want to extract the trial balance, then we can use the financial dimension. Without financial dimension set, we cannot extract the trial balance. So that is very useful in D365. So this is my USMF legal entity. I will go to general ledger. So let's go to financial dimension set page. So for financial dimension, you have to go to general ledger, then chart of accounts, dimensions, and financial dimension set. Here you will see by default multiple financial dimension sets are created. But since we are using this standard Microsoft system in which demo data is available, that's why multiple financial dimension sets are available. Otherwise it will be a blank with main account. So sometime main account dimension set is also not there. So for creating financial dimension set, you can click on new button, and for example I will create for main account plus something like cost center plus project. Okay, so like this we can mention the friendly name. Click on save. Now since my main account is first, I will drag this. So what you have to do is, let me do it again. You have to select this main account and click on add. So if you see this arrow mark, you have to add this. If you want to remove some dimension, then select this and click on the remove arrow. So similarly, like I will add this. Now I will add cost center. So I will scroll and I can see my cost center. I will drag again. I will click on add button. Now I will drag my project similarly. So click on add button. So click on save. This is my dimensions financial dimension set is created. Now I can show you how to run trial balance using dimension set. So without a financial dimension set, we cannot run the trial balance. So sometime if I'm in this video, I'm using dimension set, it means financial dimension set only. So just don't get confused for that. Click on modules, go to general ledger, inquiry and reports, click on trial balance. So this is the trial balance form. Here you can mention your from and to date. And if I show you here, if I try to remove and click on calculate balance, it will give me error, dimension set does not exist. So it is mandatory to select financial dimension set. So I will give main account and click on calculate. Here you will see that this is my main account and this is the name of my main account with opening balance. You can see here, and you will see here debit and credit along with closing balance. So this is how a financial dimension set is used to generate a trial balance, but it is only for main account. If I want to see main account plus project, then I will click on main account. I will select this main account plus project and click on calculate balance. Now if you see main account and project, since there is no transaction with project, it is not appearing over here. So if I select something else other than this, let me select business unit plus department, main account business unit plus department. If I calculate here, I will show you how this works. Here you will see, let's take this main account. In this main account line, you will see my business is unit is used and my department is used, and my opening balance for this main account is 692950.58. Similarly, it is the same closing balance. So this is how you can see trial balance using financial dimension set, and it will show you the data along with that. So now I will show you. This is created by us main account, cost center and project. So if I go and select our dimension, this MA plus CC plus PRJ, let me copy this, and if I remove this, it will be not available to show since we have created, but still it will not be available. Why? Because there is a batch that need to be run if you want to see the data. So see, uh, if you see here, if I mention PRJ also, it is not coming. But if I mention main account, it is coming. Why it is not coming? Because we didn't run the balances, or we didn't create the balances for this financial dimension set. So after creating any financial dimension set, you need to run create balance job. So where you will find that, you will find beside the delete button, you will see here create balances. So just click on create balances. It will open one new window, which is initialize balance for dimension set main account plus cost center plus project. Here you have to mention your from and to date. So let me take this date from 1st Jan 2011 to 31st December 2025. Now click on OK. So it will take some time, and it will add this create balance job in batch jobs. So let's wait for some time. Once it is completed, here it will, instead of create balance, it will show rebuild balance. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. See, if you see here, this batch is completed, and you will see a rebuild balance, update balance and clear balance is enabled. Now if I see here, I will able to see my financial dimension set on the trial balance. So just calculate, and you can run your trial balance using your desired financial dimension set. Okay, so this is how you can create and run trial balance using financial dimension set. Now let me go to financial dimension set page. You will see here rebuild balances and update balance and clear balance. What is the use of this? So first, I will explain about create balance. So create balance is used when a fresh financial dimension set is created and it doesn't have any balances. So we need to initialize balances for a specific financial dimension set. So for that, we can, if you see here, the info log for that batch is showing here. Now, what is rebuild balance? So rebuild balance is used when you want to rebuild the balance from scratch, and from the beginning you want to rebuild all the balances for a specific financial dimension set. So in that case, you can use this. How to run the rebuild balance job? You can click on rebuild balances, select entity. So I want for my current entity, then I can select current entity, and here you will see from and to date. So you can mention your date as per your requirement. So let me mention this and click OK. So before rebuilding any balances, just make sure that it will take lot of resources and it will consume more time, because it will build the balances from scratch. So just click on OK. So it will add a one more batch in queue, and it will rebuild all the balances for that scenario. And you have to keep in mind, rebuild balance is taking lot of resources, then that's why it is not required most of the time. But if you face some balance related issue, you can rebuild balance and use the rebuild balance job in the system for a specific financial dimension set. Now we will discuss about update balance. So update balance is a light job, means when you are running, you are posting any transaction and that was not updated during that a specific course of time, you can run the update balance and it will include these transactions with that, and it will show you all the balances and it will include a specific transaction. Then so it will not put lot of stress on the system. So you can just click on update balance, and here you have to select the legal entity and click OK. It will add a update balance job for a dimension set in batch queue. Then it will update the balances. So similarly you will see clear balances. So when the clear balance is used, it is used when a specific financial dimension set is not required and no further update is required on a specific financial dimension set. So we can just clear that and click on OK. So it will clear all the balances and it will put the financial dimension set on initial stage, and you will see here create balances button will be enabled. So if it is not at all in use, we can clear all the balances for that and we can save the resources. And here some of the best practice to use financial dimension set in D365 is just create financial dimension set whatever is required. After that, create balances, and if you have like by mistakenly created, then don't delete it and let it be. Just don't run any balances, don't create any balances for that dimension set. So let me give you an example. For example, my business unit and department. Okay, so department is not in use for me, only main account and business unit is in use for me. Then what I can do is I will clear the balances, or I will let it be. I will not update any balances for my main account, business unit and department, and I will not rebuild any balances for my main account, business unit, department. So it will save some of my resources. So it is unnecessary to run what is not in use. So just keep this thing in mind. This is the financial dimension set functionality in D365. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye. See you in the next one.